Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down tech gadgets so you can buy smarter. Today, we're diving into a device that could breathe new life into your classic Nintendo Wii, the eSynic 1080p HD Wii to HDMI cable converter. It's compact, it's simple, and it claims to bring your retro favorites into the HD era. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Out of the box, you're greeted with a single, integrated HDMI cable. No extra dongles, no mess. That's because this thing is all in one, with the Wii connector on one end, full HDMI on the other, and a generous 1.2 meters of cable. It's plug and play, with no software or setup required. Setup couldn't be easier. Plug the Wii side into your console, the HDMI into your TV, and you're ready. Within seconds, the Wii boots up on screen, and instead of the original 480p signal, this adapter upscales to full 1080p. That means whether you're battling it out in Super Smash Bros. Or throwing strikes in Wii Sports, everything looks noticeably sharper. Now don't get me wrong, this doesn't magically turn your Wii into a next-gen console. But the improvement is clear. The lines are cleaner, the colors pop more, and it's far easier on the eyes when you're gaming on a modern HD TV or even a 4K display. But visuals aren't everything. What about performance? The eSynic converter boasts zero-lag signal transmission, under 2 milliseconds. After testing games like Mario Kart and Just Dance, the responsiveness is rock solid. No lag, no input delay. Motion controls feel exactly like they should, smooth, instant, and precise. There are a few things to note, though. This adapter is made specifically for the original Wii and the Wii U. It won't work with the Wii Mini. The Mini only has an AV output and no digital port, so keep that in mind before you click that buy button. So, final verdict? For retro gamers looking to clean up their setup and make their Wii compatible with modern TVs, the eSynic HDMI cable is an excellent solution. It's simple, affordable, and actually improves your gaming experience. No weird converters, no signal drop, just plug and play HD nostalgia. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more hands-on gadget reviews. Got a retro console you want to modernize? Drop it in the comments and we might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.